Okay. Oh yeah, we still in exercise too.
I don't know how to make it so that it will only print a odd number of I.
Number I. Okay, wait. Masukkan bilangan ganjil. Oh, okay. So actually in here we need uh percents. Do you remember what is the function percents in coding? Percents.
Uh, Divided, but
Mm-hmm.
not completely divided, and so the rest is the output.
Yeah. So actually we for e in range one until n plus one. Oh, okay. Actually you can just like for e in range one until ganjil. Input masukkan bilangan ganjil. So this is the maximum of the even number, right?
Mm.
So the maximum is from ganjil. So 1, comma, but ganjil in here is n. So 1, n aja. Just 1, comma n. Plus satunya you don't need that.
But if I do that, let me
Mm-hmm.
just try it. Uh, let's say I say 8. It will only count to 7.
Oh, oh yeah. Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. But that's true if okay, you can plus one, okay. And then how to make just the output is just even
Just
num
odd number.
odd yeah, odd number. So you can use if. After four you can use
Okay, so like enter
if
if
I
uh, I
percents
just shift percent
percent
like this
yeah percent two
to like this.
no two number two equal double
Oh,
equal one titik dua then print I inside the if. Jadi I will try to explain with Indonesia. Ganjil itu tiap dibagi dua dia selalu sisa satu. Persen di sini kan menghitung sisa hasil pembagian ya. Nah kayak 20 dibagi dua kan 10 sisanya nol. Pasti itu genap. Kalau ganjil dibagi dua itu selalu bersisa satu. Nah,
yes, it
iPad.
does work.
Ya. So, jadi itu caranya. If you want to change to be like even number, so you just change the one to zero because the even number if divided by two and then the left is always zero. Gitu. Okay. Do
Yeah.
you have question?
No,
No. Okay. You can submit.
thank you.
Next exercise. You already tried this?
Kind of.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try.
Buatlah kode yang dapat menghasilkan gambar seperti bawah ini. Itulah fungsi kelompok yang untuk menggambarkan. Wait, okay. Def.
Mhm. Yeah, that's true. You need that for kelopak ini, satu kelopak. Just one kelopak, put it in Wanda. Nanti tinggal di koliin deh.
Hmm. Okay, so let's see. Let me think. Def kelopak. It doesn't need a variable, right?
Yeah, you done it. Have kelopak, titik 2, and then
Enter. Color itu warna kan?
yes, color.
Circle. Many.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. Because the size of circle is different,
I know.
you should make it. Actually, you can use for E in range to make your codis more effective.
So, what is the range?
So because there is 7 circle, you need 7.
Oh yeah, I
Titik
forgot.
2-nya
I
lupa.
forgot. I forgot. And then circle 10 times E, right?
Yes.
Like this.
Yes, that's true.
Now that's 1, so that means here. I could start on. Let me try first. Just making sure. Okay, it
Nice.
works.
Yours?
Now this is correct.
Mm, we don't have 10 function. We just have right or left.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
No problem. You look so tired today. How many hours you have class in Lia?
In Lia, only like from 1.5 hour, I guess.
But
But
it's like
before
a
that,
group
I
or
have
private.
a. But before that, I have a different class.
Mm.
So
This is your first class in Lia?
no,
Oh no.
right? Let's see, 90 degrees, and then how do I repeat this again?
You can use for E in range.
How about the range? How many times? Just 4 times?
Yeah, just for time. If the action should be repeat 4 times, so the range should be 4 times. Nice. Submit and continue.
Uh,
It's similar, but just the star. You should create star.
this says triangles.
So actually, you can for E in range 5 because the star have 5 degrees, 5 sudut, itu. I will give you the example how to create stars. So you just need for E in range 5 times.
For wait, for E
In the
in range no, 5.
5, yes. And then forward, do forward anything you want. Up to you.
Forward,
Mm-hmm.
let's do 10. Wait, no, 15,
It's too little, I think.
20,
Okay.
uh, 20. Okay.
Okay. And then the left, after that left, the left it should be like tumpul tapi nggak terlalu tumpul. So like 114. the left 140.
1114.
Yeah, 114. That's right, Ran.
Let's try 100.
It's too many. How about 100? Oh, wait. For E in
One,
5.
two, three, four.
Mm,
I think it's supposed to be range 10.
wait. Why I just suddenly forgot.
Okay, I was wrong as well.
I
Wait a minute.
the left.
One,
How
two,
about 100?
three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just need 5 lines. So that means this is the wrong one.
Mm, wait. Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be right 44. Right 44. Nah. Nah. Okay. Okay. You can continue to use it with function and repeat it until the display light. That is simple. What's wrong with my eyes? Yeah, the bacon fill should be before 4.
Oh,
Yeah, before 4 and the end fill after 4.
it said there is something wrong.
You should add underscore begin underscore fill.
Hmm, there is still something wrong.
Double L. Also the end fill double L.
Okay, that
Nah,
works.
okay.
And that will be pink. Okay. So now let's try define
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, we got
Okay.
HR.
Mm-hmm. And then,
Probably gonna need to size down the star.
yeah, no problem.
Okay, nice.
Mhm.
Mm,
Second.
tada!
Oh, nice. Good job. Submit, and then I will explain to you two new materials. It's still about the function. Nah, ini jangan dijawab dulu. I will explain the material first, and then you can answer that question.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see my. Do you can see my share screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so let's start with some keys. So we have a project that count average of the s- grade of students, but what is the result if I have this kind of code? Dah rata-rata nilai, and then nama, nilai input, while, and then I will print rata-rata. What kind of project will be the output of this code?
Uh, it will print the average of each student.
Okay, but unfortunately, the result is as error, and the error is like rata-rata is not defined. Can you guess why rata-rata is not defined? Just guess.
Because there is
Randomly
no
guess.
variable inside it.
But we have it in here. Wait. Oh no. We have rata-rata in here.
Is it because the total?
The total? Mm, Actually, the problem if it's not defined, so our code never know that we have a rata-rata variable. So this is because the rata-rata is inside the function, the def function. So variable,
Oh, because it's inside, it doesn't count if it's outside.
yeah, that's true. Because the variable just have scope, a local scope. So if we have a rata-rata inside the def function, we cannot call outside the function. We just can access the rata-rata inside that def. So what is the solution? The solution is we should have return operators. So return is like apa ya kalau di bahasa Inggris? Intinya mengembalikan nilai dari sebuah fungsi kepada pemanggil fungsi. For example, if we want to make our function rata-rata nilai, if we call the value is about the variable rata-rata, so we should call like return rata-rata. Intinya kalau kamu mau bikin suatu fungsi itu ketika kita panggil mempunyai suatu nilai dan nilainya itu variabel rata-rata, maka harus di return rata-rata. So if we call like rata-rata underscore nilai and then the name, the result it will be automate the return rata-rata. Do you have a question or wondering something?
No, not really.
Not really? Okay. Then let's continue. Now, this is the example of the program. What is the result? If I input the value is 60,
Bakal keluar tidak lulus.
yes, 60 is tidak lulus. Kalau 90 akan keluar lulus. Okay, do you need example or we can just directly practice?
Directly practice.
Okay, let's go.
don't understand. Oh, just two questions.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Yeah.
understand the second question.
The second question is def tambah A, B sama dengan 5. Return A plus B. Ini tinggal dimasukin aja. Kayak print tambah 10. So, A-nya itu 10. 10 di plus 5, maka berapa gitu. Kalau ini berarti A-nya 10, B-nya diganti jadi 3 gitu.
Hmm.
Oke. Yang atas name hello. Oke. Next question.
Wait a minute. Huh? Hmm.
Check test missing. One required positional arguments.
What do I do?
So you should add this value because check test needs score. So we get score from,
Here, from this.
yeah, you should add score.
S K O R.
Okay. Because you put for participant, you should input for name and for value. Sapi, ayam. All of it animals.
Dadah.
Okay, submit. This is the last exercise in this function. I will explain to you our next material. It will be fun because it's about model random and time. So before we continue, you have question about the function materials, Sticky?
No, not really.
Not really. So let's continue. So random and time is a module. So module is this is like data. Wait. If in a scratch we have like pick random 1 until 10 and then you get a random number, something like that, similar. Okay. Our agenda today is understand about the concept of module and then we will practice about random module. After that, we will continue to time, module time, and then reflection of materials. So what kind of uh, project that we will create? I think it will be, you will like this because you already questioning and asking me in a first meeting, I guess. So we will create math quiz, but the quiz, the random, it should be, the number, it should be random, or it should be
Finally.
it should be changed. Like first what is soal? First question like 3 plus 3, and then after that it should be random, and the question is should be always changed, and we cannot determine what is the numbers. Okay. Okay. And then after finish we question answer, we should make like pause and then continue to another question. How to make that? The first one, we should understand about the module. Module is like a file terpisah yang berisi kode Python yang dapat digunakan kembali. So we have so many kind of module, but Python already provide some module. The first module is turtle. So turtle is like forward, left, right, and then uh, begin, fail, color. So actually there is a module turtle. The function of that module is create graphics, and then we have a random module for get random numbers. Okay, this one. So Python provide some of module. The first one is turtle, second one is random, the other one is time, and the last is module OS. Module OS is to make our program interact with our system computer. Okay. But today we will focus on module random because we want to get a random numbers. We have two function in this random. For the first one is random. So random is for a range. For example, you want to make a random number from number 1 until number 10. So random 1, comma 10. If random is always decimal and the range is always from 0 until 1. So if you have random, it always be like 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and others.
Mm,
Okay. And then how we can use that. The first step we should connect the module. Actually, we have three types. We have three options. Kamu nggak perlu gunain semuanya. You can choose one. Okay, the first type is connect all the modules. So import random. Random is the name of the module. Jadi kayak susunan filenya kayak gini. Random itu nama filenya, the name of the file. And then random ini punya dua fungsi or dua def. The first def is also random, yang tadi gunanya untuk desimal. The second def is random. Okay, if you use this import random, artinya you call this module. You can use this two kind of function, tapi harus panggil dulu random titik random atau random titik random. Gitu. Okay, you got it? If you use second option, menyambungkan satu fungsi, so you want to use specific function. From random import random, berarti yang ini aja. You can use just this function. Tapi enaknya kamu bisa langsung random, nggak perlu panggil random lagi. Tapi kamu nggak bisa di sini tiba-tiba pakai random, karena you just connect random function. Gitu. If you want to make it simple, itu biasanya Miss always suggest my student using option number 3. Karena from random import star atau import bintang itu menyambungkan seluruh fungsi ke dalam modul. Jadi you can use random, you can use random. Kamu nggak perlu panggil random titik gitu.
Okay.
You have question?
No.
No, let's continue. So the example of program is like this. Hasil angka acak kurang dari 1, random. Jadi angkanya akan acak. Hasil lemparan dadu, because the dice always start with 1 and until 6, berarti 1,6, dia akan 4. Tapi actually if you run again, it will be random again. And then this is the example of create quiz math. So you should have angka 1 for the first number in a question. And then angka 2 for the second number for question. After that, you can just print angka 1. If you want to make it plus, it will plus. Oh, ini nggak konsisten nih. Hasilnya itu bintang. Jadi it should be kali in here. Jadi hasilnya akan 9 kali 6. Okay, you have a question?
No, no.
No, let's continue to practice.
Untuk bagian praktik yang apa boleh dan itu sebagai garis tulis. Ini pilihannya boleh nggak? Nah, nanti kita akan pakai lagi beberapa pilihannya jadi aku tidak pakai. Nah, itu sangat dari ini. Dia rasa saya di pasar. Apa yang jadi pasar? Oke, silakan boleh menjadi. Ya, kalau ini sudah selesai ya, masih ada tujuan. Selesai dulu. Oke, boleh kalau misalkan mau bikin melakukan kita begini, nanti boleh ya. Silakan kalau bikin nanti kita itu. Bagian
Miss.
Ya. Betul kok itu. Good job. Continue.
kalau kita lupa di daftar tanah ya, karena ya sampai dia lihat di file. Kalau kalian juga If somebody don't know what day and anybody stuff, so that's why I'm a bit. So yeah, what we are making,
Line 1. Hmm. Okay,
Okay,
that
let's see.
worked. Now, let's see what happened if I say
Tebakan Anda salah. Okay, that's true. Submit and continue.
ah, yay.
Yeah, this is your question since class meeting class 5. Do you
So,
like math subject?
no, no, I
No?
don't. No, I don't.
Uh, I thought that you really like math subject
The one
because you,
who likes math is actually my sister.
oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh,
she's so good at math. She she can she get mad when there's a problem with a math form, some sort of formula.
oh my God. How
Okay.
your sister?
Kadea.
How old?
Oh, she's like 4 years older than me, so 18.
Oh, older than you. Oh, I thought that's your little sister.
No, no, she's bad at math.
Why? Why you
Alright.
say like
So, how do I put the random that with a star? I can do that.
uh from random import star?
From
Random
random import star like this.
yes.
Hmm. Wait, no. This is incorrect. So I could say run did like this.
Randin with N. Randin. INT.
Ran didn't.
Mm-hmm.
And then I could put the number like say 1 till
And
10.
yeah.
And then I just need to copy paste this. C Control V. Just change this to this. Okay, so no.
Okay, yeah, that's true. And then soal equal
ENT ENPUT angka 1
mhm,
ya. Bukannya harus ada koma gitu? Like this?
actually you cannot do that in a wait. You cannot do that in a input. So you should print first and then input.
Ah, so
Print first and then after that input. Print angka 1 plus
koma
koma.
dulu nggak
Ya,
sih?
betul,
Koma
koma.
ini
Yes.
plus
Mhm.
koma kedua and input
If you want have like sentence like masukkan jawaban Anda boleh atau kalau mau kosongan boleh kosongan. You can try first to know the display.
something went wrong. Oh yeah, this.
Yes.
Let's see.
So you need add if blah 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 jawaban benar, your answer is true, blah blah blah, your answer is wrong.
So I put if
Yeah.
soal equals angka 1 plus
Mhm.
angka 2 like this,
Yeah,
and then I just need to do this,
yeah.
enter, then print.
Tiga. So, ano kasi yung reality? Sekarang uangnya ada tidak ada. Baru kita
Vivi, yang keras-keras.
ini. Jadi kalau bagian di bawah dari ada UI. Kalau bagian UI mau nggak?
Print benar,
Kalau
dan else.
yang
Yep.
UI berarti apa sih? Oke, kalau Anda ya, jadi saya masih bikin ya, kalau
Let's say print okay. This
Okay.
time let's make it minus.
Mhm.
Just need to change that, right?
Yes. Okay, let's try first.
Come on.
Mm,
Connecting server connected. Okay. Let's answer 8. Enter. Benar. Okay, now let's answer 7. I
Oh.
see. If I want the number to be random again, I need to call them again.
yes. So in a task, you should make it repeat until 5 or something. You can
But how about if I wanted to change like the minus into plus or something like that?
the minus into plus. Oh, you mean like plus and minus is random, also random?
Yes.
Or you can add variable.
Oh yeah.
You should make plus minus bagi kalinya itu variabel, tapi it's different. Nah, kita harus belajar list dulu nih, gitu. Because plus minus is not number but the string, jadi akan beda ininya.
Okay, then wait. Can we use define for the to make the angka random?
Define?
Yeah, def.
Maksudnya gimana? Define?
So like, let's say
Let's say, oh, def.
def.
Yeah, yeah, we can use that. Actually, if you want to make pertanyaan, oh yeah, you can do that.
Pertanyaan. And then like control X.
Mhm.
This enter control V. Enter like this. And so
Oh.
we could put pertanyaan between each soal.
Oh, nggak bisa. Because angka 1 sama angka 2 itu kan lokal ya. Jadi kamu nggak bisa panggil lokal. Kecuali semuanya
Return.
kamu masukin.
Hah?
Ya bisa di return atau printnya kamu masukin, soalnya kamu masukin gitu.
Hmm,
If else-nya kamu masukin. Cuma cara simpelnya kalau mau berkali-kali tinggal di for i in range aja sih gitu.
kenapa?
Di for i in range.
Tapi kan kalau kayak gitu hanya bisa plus terus.
Oh, maksudnya nggak bisa plus terus minus gitu ya?
Ya,
Hmm. Kalau
so
mau plus minus plus minus plus minus, for i in range-nya ada dua ini. Terus ada dua
I
itu.
wanted like gantian plus minus times divided by.
Yeah, you can make it
So I
like that.
can put return angka 1 and then return angka 2 like that.
You cannot do that. Karena di dalam dev itu cuma satu aja, satu nilai yang bisa di return.
Um,
Ya. Okay, but
so
I'm so sorry, Dicky. I should cut it because another student already waiting for me.
sorry.
Iya, nggak apa. Miss yang minta maaf. We will continue to next lesson besok ya, jam 9 pagi.
Oh, I just remembered. I probably can't do because there is SMK Telkom test for Ikatan Kerja and Beasiswa.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh ya, oke. Kalau gitu diganti jamnya atau mau ganti hari?
Ganti hari aja sih kayaknya.
Oh, oke. Nanti boleh dikabarin ke Miss kapan kamu kosong. Mungkin Senin atau kapan gitu.
Oke.
Oke, oke. Apa tesnya? I'm so curious because I'm also
There
although.
is psikotes
Mhm.
and then there is tes olahraga.
Oh, ya, ya, ya. Oke, oke. Jadi, if the test is same, I will spill on you. Kalau masih sama ya tesnya. Namanya tuh BIP test.
Yes,
Olahraganya.
yes, yes, yes.
Oh, bukan.
It's still
I
called beep test.
oh ya, it's same. Saran dari Miss, itu tuh akan dihitung berapa lama kamu tahan. Nah, dari awal itu di awal itu kayak gimana ya? Levelnya itu naik. Jadi kamu jangan forsir tenaga kamu di awal. Jadi bip pertama itu lambat dia. Jadi kayak jangan forsir banget di awal. Yang penting eh jadi kamu harus mengejar titik finish sebelum bip itu selesai
Yes.
gitu. Dan di awal itu kayak jedanya itu contoh 30 detik.
Hmm.
Terus nanti naik level 15 detik. Terus naik level lagi jadi 10 detik. Naik level lagi jadi 5 detik. Tuh. Jadi kayaknya the tip is jangan diforsir di awal. Karena semakin naik dia akan semakin cepat. Tapi di awal itu dia lambat. Jadi nggak apa-apa di awal kayak yang lain menggebu-gebu gitu untuk sampai yang dihitung ketahanannya. Sampai berapa level kamu kuat di pit test itu. Gitu. Good luck for
Okay.
tomorrow. Terus ada ini nggak sih tes bib test and wawancara ada nggak?
Ada.
Oh, sama kesehatan.
I don't know about that.
In my kalau di angkatan NIS itu wawancara kesehatan sama bib test itu. Kalau kesehatan itu latihan membaca angka toke, huruf toke atau
Hah?
apa ya? Ya. Tapi itu gampang kok kayak gini. Habis
Itu
yang sih.
bukannya kayak tes buta warna nggak sih?
Iya, iya. Oh, no, my student 1 menit lagi. Nah, like this.
Oh ya, I've done that, but jadi itu dikerjakan untuk masuk. Jadi itu kayak ngambil datanya, ngambil surat dari dokter. Jadi ke
Oh,
dokter melakukan tes buta warna, dapat surat keterangannya, lalu dikirim ke websitenya itu. Kan ada websitenya minta eh, file keterangan tidak buta warna dan sehat gitu.
Oh, I see. Kalau dulu tuh dari pihak SMK Telkomnya. Oke, oke, kalau gitu. Good luck, karena Miss janjian sama student Miss 2020. Oke, thank you, Diki. Kita agendain next class-nya. Nanti Miss konfirmasi ke Diki ya, kapan kosongnya.
Oke.
Oke, thank you, Diki. See you. Good luck.
Yes.
Istirahat buat besok.
Ayun,